Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about Bath & Body Works Empties. I got this video, or I got a comment requesting if I could talk about my empties, and the funny thing is, right when I got that comment, I was thinking like a couple days before, like, wow, I should really like start talking about my Bath & Body Works empties. So it's been a little bit since that comment, but after that I started like actually collecting. So I've gotten a pretty big pile, as you can see. So let's talk about what I have. So I finished up 2 wallflowers. I don't know if I'll know what scents these are, but I'm gonna give them a little smell test and see if I know. This is definitely winter candy apples, so we finished this up maybe the end of February or early March, I want to say. So it's maybe been in here for a while, but yeah, like I'm definitely over this scent because winter candy apple, you know, like I'm ready to get into more springy scents, but this is definitely a classic. Absolutely love winter candy apple. And then I have another one that's like clear. I think this was a more, I think this was caramel cold brew, something like that. It's definitely like it's definitely caramel, but it's got like that coffee type scent. This was super light, like you could hardly even smell it in our bathroom. It's kind of like Vanilla Bean Noel, which we have in our bathroom now. Like you can hardly even smell it. So probably wouldn't repurchase the lighter scent, but definitely winter candy apple is a yes. And then for hand soaps, we went through a winter candy apple hand soap. The notes on this are, does it tell you the notes? Here we go, okay. Merry and bright blend of red apple, winter rose petals, and candied orange. Honestly, I just think winter candy apple smells like a really nice apple scent. I mean, it's definitely like a little bit of a sweeter, like you can tell there's something else there, but I mean, it just smells like apples and I just really like it. It's definitely like wintry though. I think just because I use it in the winter reminds me of winter, and it's called winter candy apple. I don't know. We finished a Vanilla Bean Noel. Mostly me because my boyfriend's not really a fan of the foaming. Vanilla Bean Noel is a blend of fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, and sugar cookies. I got really burnt out on this one at the end. I'm using up the end of my, like we're almost done with our wallflower. I used up some body care. So I'm not really like actively using it anymore. I mean, winter's essentially over here. Even though we still have snow on the ground, it's about to melt, but I'm just over Vanilla Bean Noel for this season. Maybe again next winter, just because it's nice to have it once a year, you know, but I don't know. It just seems like it keeps getting like warmer, like muskier smelling every year. And I'm not a fan of that. Like I wish it was just like vanilla, so we'll see when next year rolls around. I mean, this is like such a classic, so I would have to imagine it comes back, but it's getting really warm. And I just want it to be like vanilla, to be honest. And then the last soap we have, oh my gosh, this one looks brutal at the end. Yeah, this was my boyfriend's soap. I didn't use this one too much, honestly. So this was Fresh Sparkling Snow. So I pulled this out because this wasn't like too wintry. I picked this up during the SAS right after Christmas. The scents on this are Icy Melon, Holiday Pear, and Falling Snow. So, I mean, it seems like this would be like a Christmas winter scent, but honestly, it smells pretty universal. I mean, it's pretty light, but it's definitely like the melon and the pear. You could honestly use this all year round. I mean, even the packaging's not necessarily like wintry. Like there's just like kind of floral things on it. It's not even like snow or anything. So you could definitely use this all year round. This was the deep cleansing hand soap, so it had the beads in it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. There's a little bit in the bottom. I don't know. This is fine. I kind of just like all the soaps equally, to be honest, like all the versions. I'm not really that picky. So on to lotions, I finished up 3 body care items. So all of these were in my project pan. big shocker there. The first one was my marshmallow pumpkin latte hand cream. I totally like scooped everything out of this. I don't think the hand creams have scents on them, I'm pretty sure, but marshmallow pumpkin latte. This is like a pretty classic fall scent. Honestly, I'm pretty sick of all these. Like now that I'm done with them, I'm pretty glad I'm done. Like I wouldn't want to pull these back out and use them today. This one's nice, but like I kind of wish like I just had used it like all fall and just like finished it up. I was kind of just like holding on to it. Why? I don't know. And then I was using it in March. Like I have to get rid of this. It's kind of fall scented. I do really like it, and it's pretty universal for like all seasons, but it really does remind me of fall. And then one of my oldest lotions I finished up in my project pan. This is the Be Enchanted lotion. These are my project pan marks on the back. This is from 2013. So old. The scents on this are iced pomegranate, sugared petals, chilled passion fruit, frosted with notes of whipped vanilla, and light musk. I loved this scent in like high school. It honestly, like, if I had another one of these, I wouldn't be that upset about it. Like if I just happened to acquire it, the scent reminds me of like not like high school, just like a good memory kind of, you know what I mean? I really do enjoy the scent of this. I mean, I don't know that I would want to necessarily like have to project pan a whole nother bottle, because like I went through 2 of these bottles right in a row because they were from 2013. And also, who knows if this even still smells the same. Like I know you can buy these retired fragrances online. Like, do they change the formula of them and stuff? Does it even still smell like this 2013 bottle? Who knows? But I mean, this is the one that I'm out of this group that I'm smelling, and I'm like, not that I'm not tired of it, but like I still would like use one more use of this, honestly. And then back to the Vanilla Bean Noel. So this one is from 2017. This was my next oldest lotion in my collection. So this was the only other one that I had that was over 2 years old. So it was next on my list to go. This notes are this, okay, this one is a little bit different from the lotion. And again, this is from 2017, or the lotion. The notes on this are a little bit different from the hand soap. This is from last year, and this is from 2017. So this says the notes are fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, which is what the hand soap said. And then it says whipped cream and snow-kissed musk. So the snow-kissed musk makes me think of like warmer scents, which makes me think of the hand soap too, because it's pretty warm. I don't know, they kind of smell the same. Honestly though, like I said with the hand soap, like it just has that warm scent that after a while, I'm just like, I'm over it. Like the first couple uses of this bottle, you know, like when I was using this in my project pan, I was like, yes, Vanilla Bean Noel, like I love this. It's just too late in the season for this, and that warmness at the current time, like I'm trying to get into the spring scents, and it was just not doing it for me. So maybe I have one Vanilla Bean Noel right now, which maybe I'll use fall or early winter or something, just because I have it, but I don't know that I'm gonna want to reach for it unless I'm just trying to like break up what I'm using. I don't know. So honestly, not that many items, but I'm really proud that I have 2 like full-size body lotions in here. That's super, super awesome to me, because lotion is a thing that I buy a lot of, but I'm really trying to get good at like going through everything. So I'm really happy about this. Hopefully next month I can have something similar. At least 1 full-size body lotion would be awesome. And then I'm sure we'll have a hand soap and some wallflowers, to be honest. Maybe a couple pocket backs, maybe a candle. Who knows? So yeah, that's everything I have for my Bath & Body Works empties for the past month. Thank you so much for joining me on this video here today. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.